Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Self Love for the returning subscribers. Hello, thank you so much for always returning to watch my videos. For those who have been watching my old videos, you're the best. Thank you so much, guys. For those who have been reaching out to me, I can't thank you enough for the love and support. Guys, I'm back on my channel, but I'm having a challenge. I've been trying to invest in my YouTube channel. For those who have been following me, I first bought a phone and I was scammed. I bought a fake phone. It had no storage, so that's why I've been away from YouTube, but I'm now back. Yeah, I've now bought a better phone. Yeah, that will enable me to give you content back and forth, guys. But I'm having a challenge, guys. As I was buying the gadgets to give you good quality videos, I'm having a challenge here. So in case anyone knows how to use a gimbal, for those who are using a gimbal, I have a gimbal here. So this is how the gimbal looks like, guys. Hope you're able to see well. Now, when I try to use the gimbal, guys, I try to open it. Now this is where the challenge is. This one where the phone is supposed to sit, this one here, this part, now it is where the challenge is. It is where the challenge is. According to here, it is showing an arrow here. You're supposed to open here like this. For it to turn, to be free and turn on all angles. Now, when I try to put the phone so that I start filming, guys, you see, it just keeps on. You see? Please help me. Comment in the comment section. Let me know, how is it used? How is this gimbal supposed to operate? Because now I'm stuck with it. I can't use it. You see? I don't know now whether it is me or I bought a factory damage, guys. This is the make or the model of the gimbal. So guys, that is the challenge I'm having at the moment, but I'm now having a better phone that can give good content. Yes, so stay tuned. Content is coming, guys. Back and forth, left, right, center. Stay tuned. Bye.